Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to customize the lock screen clock style. Simply go to the lock screen. So you can see this is the clock style that I applied on this device. So let me show you how to customize this one. For this, press and hold the lock screen. Now here we can easily edit the lock screen. Okay. Now tap on the clock widget. Now we can, first of all, we can resize this one. Okay, this is the maximum size and this is the minimum size that we can apply. And at the bottom you can see some font styles. According to your choice, you can select any font styles. You can see here I am going to select this one. Okay, so some font styles we can apply this thickness also. Some of them have it is not available. And also we can change the color also. If you tap on the style, now here you can see some different styles of clock widget you can see here. According to your choice, you can select any one. So here I am going to go for this one. You can resize this one also. Tap on done. You can just change this apply to the lock screen. So successfully I change the clock widget. So simply in this way we can customize the lock screen clock style on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.